Get ready because the leaks are flowing in fast, and this time it's all about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yup, we're talking major design changes, camera upgrades, and wait for it, a phone that might finally be comfortable to hold. Let's dive into the latest leaks and rumors that have everyone buzzing. Picture this, you're holding the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Fantastic phone, right? But those sharp corners, yeah, not exactly hand-friendly. Well, Samsung might be about to fix that. Rumor has it the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going for a more rounded, smoother design. And I mean, who doesn't want their phone to feel like butter in their hands? Let's break down what we know. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. So over the weekend, some leaked images surfaced thanks to our favorite leaker, Ice Universe. And guess what? They're showing off the case for the alleged Galaxy S25 Ultra. From the looks of it, the sharp, boxy design of the S24 Ultra could be history. Instead, we're getting something more, well, hand-friendly. Think back to the Galaxy Note 7. Yeah, that 2016 vibe is making a comeback, but with modern flair. Now, speaking of flair, there's also talk of the S25 Ultra, having bezels so thin they might even beat the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's right, iPhone users. Samsung's ready to give you a run for your money, but here's a little spoiler, don't expect curved screens to make a return. Samsung's sticking with flat displays for this one. Okay, camera lovers, this one's for you. The leaks show a slightly tweaked camera module, 3 sensors lined up in a neat little row, including what we assume will be the primary, ultra-wide, and periscope lenses. But hold up, the camera holes? They're noticeably bigger and packed closer together, hinting at some serious upgrades under the hood. Think about it. If the S24 Ultra already packs a beastly 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and dual telephoto lenses, what kind of sorcery are we looking at for the S25 Ultra? Samsung's clearly out to win the best camera phone crown. Now here's the bad news. We probably won't get any official word on the S25 lineup until January. So until then, we've got the rumor mill keeping us company. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we've got all the latest leaks and rumors lined up for you. While you wait for January, why not check out our wish list for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? What do you want to see in Samsung's next flagship? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get the conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more juicy tech leaks. See you in the next one. Peace out.